Today's May 26th, 2017. We're getting ready for the toilet.
I needed to have weight on the toilet, so I closed the lid. And I tightened the side bolts down. The two bolts on the side. I got the water pipe already connected, but not fully tight. I want a little flexibility while this is going down. That one's just about done. Using a box dead red, half inch. Use that and you can try putting where the nuts and bolts at. Yep. This way, just be spinning those blocks. Yep.
What did you use to put the new ring thing around?
The what?
The new rubber thing, the washer. What did you use? Gasoline?
Nothing, just slide it on. He's talking about this.
Yep.
All the closet plan. This part goes in the toilet first and then just sinks in the hole of the toilet. Sewer pipe. Closet plan. Alright, one more time here. Let's see. What I can do is snug the water pipe up. Hold that now.
Looks like a little fin in there.
Turn the water pump on.
Okay, hold on. Here's the water pump.
On?
Yep.
Yeah, go see. You're still filming, videoing?
Yep.
This is the first water and flush, this new pedal. No more water.
There's the water coming in. Huh?
Put the camera on the foot pedal.
Oh my God, you can't see because my foot's on it.
Alright, I'm flexible.
Did it turn on?
Hey, done?
Yep. Wait, it's not closed. There it goes. You gotta make sure it closes, yeah.
Is it straight open?
For a little bit, yeah, watch.
Don't let it snap. That's what broke the damn thing from Charlotte back in December last year. Don't let it snap.
Okay, over and out.
Let me get these out of here. This out of here.
Toilet's in.
You can turn the water up for me to wash my hands and I'll go outside and wash down the deck box. Go outside and go back.
Go ahead. I'm gonna shut that light off. There we go. Garbage.
You can turn the water up to wash my hands.
Okay, over and out.